Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bissell with our weekly update on the state of the COVID-19 pandemic in the New River Valley. Today's Friday, November 13th. COVID-19 is spreading rapidly through the country as temperatures come down and people spend more time indoors where there's a higher risk of transmitting the virus. Southwest Virginia, like much of the United States, is seeing a rise in the number of new cases. In the New River Valley, we're also seeing an increase in our number of cases. We did also see a bump in infections from Halloween gatherings. We do have cases in long-term care settings. We are seeing cases in our schools and workplaces, but these are generally being transmitted in social gatherings, not in the schools and workplaces themselves. Those gatherings are typically smaller and indoors with friends and family members or co-workers who are eating together or carpooling, and we also have cases arising from church functions and gatherings. We understand that everyone's tired, but we have to remain vigilant. The demographics of who's getting COVID-19 in our area are also changing. We're seeing a shift to older individuals and those with more medical problems getting COVID-19, and more people are ending up in the hospital. Our hospitals are still treating everyone who comes in for all of their other health issues. As the number of COVID-19 patients increases, it strains the hospital's capacity. It's very important to note, although the pandemic is global, each community experiences it locally. We can choose to not accept a high impact in the New River Valley. If we continue to follow the critical basic precautions, we know we will reduce the spread of virus. Wash your hands regularly, wear a mask, and watch your distance when you are around others. Please also stay home when sick or if you've had close contact with a known COVID-19 patient. These measures are simple and they are effective. Please remember that whenever you are with people outside of your household, even if it's a few loved ones, including extended family and friends, you need to wear your mask and watch your distance, especially if you're meeting indoors. Yesterday marked the critical 2-week point before Thanksgiving for people to be extra careful if they will be mixing households for the holiday. We're encouraging all households who will be traveling or accepting travelers that you limit your close contacts to the people only in your household. For Thanksgiving 2020, we're asking you to shift the focus of your gathering away from the meal when you have to take your mask off to eat. If you do eat indoors, please spread out as much as possible. If you can take advantage of the weather, eat outside. As we know, outside is safer. We are offering drive-through testing at the New River Valley Mall on Thursday, November 19th for anyone who wants a test prior to traveling for the holiday. There will be other opportunities next week as well, and they will be posted on the NRV Road to Wellness website along with questions and answers. We will host another testing event after the holidays for those who would like to get tested on their return. Anyone who wants a test can get a test through the health department. We also encourage anyone who hasn't yet gotten their flu vaccine to do that. We are holding another free flu vaccination clinic Wednesday, November 18th at Christiansburg Middle School. Lastly, if you have concerns about sports, access to testing, or anything else, please find my detailed answers to those questions on our website. As always, we thank you for sending us your questions and for your continued efforts to help our community through this pandemic.